In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language on TradingView. Whether you're more comfortable navigating TradingView in a different language, or you're looking to practice a new one, switching languages is a straightforward process. Let's dive in and walk through it step by step. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account. If you're already on your dashboard, you're in the right place to begin. Take a moment to look at the top left corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon there, which holds the key to customizing your TradingView settings, including language preferences. Once you've located your profile icon, go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear, showing several options related to your account settings and preferences. Among these options, you'll find one labeled Language. This is where you can make the change to your preferred language setting. Click on Language, and you'll see a list of available languages. TradingView supports a wide range of languages, so take a moment to scroll through the list to find the one you're most comfortable with. Once you've found your preferred language, simply click on it. Now, here's an important tip. After selecting your language, you don't need to search for a save button. TradingView automatically updates your language preference. All you need to do is click outside the drop-down menu, and your changes will be applied. You should immediately notice that the interface language changes to the one you selected. If it doesn't happen right away, try refreshing the page. This will ensure that all parts of the TradingView interface are updated to reflect your new language choice. Changing the language setting is not just about personal comfort. It can also enhance your user experience by making the platform more intuitive and easier to navigate. A familiar language can make it simpler to understand charts, analysis tools, and other features TradingView offers, ultimately leading to more informed trading decisions. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the language on TradingView. This simple adjustment can make a world of difference in how you interact with the platform. Feel free to explore and see how this change enhances your TradingView experience. If you find yourself needing to switch back or try another language, you now know exactly how to do it with ease. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has helped you customize your TradingView experience to better suit your needs. Happy trading!